Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by pointing the rifle at a blank, light-colored wall at 25 yards. Keep the rifle stable and supported on a rest or sandbag. Close your dominant eye for a moment and concentrate on the reticle lines. Adjust the ocular diopter slowly until the reticle appears sharp and stable. Open both eyes and blink to verify the reticle stays clear and comfortable. Finalize diopter adjustment when the reticle edges are crisp and no double image remains. Set a target at 100 yards and fire a 3-shot group to establish point of impact. Use a stable shooting position and consistent trigger technique for repeatable results. Measure horizontal and vertical deviations from your aim point in inches or MOA. Adjust elevation and windage turrets in 1/4 MOA clicks toward the desired impact point. After each adjustment, fire another 3-shot group and record the change. Repeat adjustments. Set the parallax or side focus to the same 100-yard distance used for zeroing. Look through the scope and move your head slightly to check for relative reticle movement. If the target appears to move against the reticle, rotate the parallax adjustment slowly until movement stops. Confirm the target remains stationary relative to the reticle when you move your head slightly. If you plan different engagement distances, note parallax settings for 25 yards, 100 yards, and longer ranges. Finish by securely retightening any adjustment caps or locking turrets if applicable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.